How to redeem Xbox gift card on PC. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video presentation, I'm going to show you on how to redeem an Xbox gift card on PC. It's a quick and easy process, so you have to follow along. Redeeming an Xbox gift card on PC is just like doing it on your console. On the console, you can head to the Microsoft Store, sign in, and redeem it. The process on the PC is similar. Visit the Xbox or Microsoft official website using a web browser such as Microsoft.com or Xbox.com. Sign into your specific Microsoft account at the top right corner and then go to the Microsoft.com/redeem, and if you haven't signed in yet, you'll be prompted to do so. Once signed in, enter the 25-character code and click on Next in order to redeem your code or the gift card. With the Microsoft gift card, you can access the apps, games, and more. It's a straightforward process, so make sure to double-check the code for the accuracy. After redeeming, you can repeat this as needed. Ensure you follow the instructions and are signed into your Xbox account to receive your rewards. Visit the Microsoft.com/redeem for the process, and this was all about how can you redeem your Xbox gift card on PC. If you found this video to be helpful, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing contents. Thank you for watching, happy gaming, and see you in the next video.